The initial appearance of pig's eyes is daunting. In Huang Jiliang's attempt to make dishes with pig's eyes stems from the idea that throwing them away is a waste. However, after being cut into pieces, paired with braised green peppers, laid out on a plate to pour a sauce, and replaced with the skin of preserved egg salad, pig's eyes turn into a gorgeous dish. The suprabranchial organ is a white, transparent gelatinous substance on both sides of fish gills, with only 2 pieces per fish. The substance is rich in glial protein, and its taste is several times smoother than ordinary fish meat. But it is not easy to collect enough suprabranchial organs to make a dish. After simple cooking, with green peppers added, to inject spiciness and fragrance, the dish prepared will be strikingly luscious. Eels also look like something that people would not eat, but since ancient times, they have been served on Chinese dining tables. Huang Jiliang's method of cooking eels draws inspiration from his childhood memories. Only when the degree of frying eels in oil is mastered can the aroma of eels be maximized. Paired with ginger and minced garlic, the fishy taste is completely removed. The meat of eels shaped like coiled dragons is crispy and tasty, making it a good companion for drinks. Pig snout tendons, with only 2 in each pig, are quite rare. For many people, the snout tendon is an unheard of ingredient, which holds a texture similar to mushrooms. The pairing of snout tendons and tender ginger is the golden combination that Huang Jiliang obtains after dozens of repeated attempts. The cooked pig snout tendons are crispy, refreshing, and fantastic, with a soft surface yet a chewy texture. These peculiar dishes have made Huang Jiliang's restaurant a hit. The suprabranchial organ was an ingredient he encountered at a hot pot restaurant, while pig snout tendons were at a barbecue stand. Huang introduces such ingredients into his own restaurant. However, as an unconventional chef, he pursues tradition in cooking, in order to preserve the original flavors of rural cuisine. Thus, even when searching for the simplest ingredients, Huang proceeds to the most rustic places.